How to fix deleted files come back on Windows issue. 1. Fix a corrupted recycle bin via rd/s/qc $recycle.bin command. 2. Stop using or remove using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide. Third-party cloud storage app 4. Turn off Windows Cloud Syncing. 3. Set enabled radio to prevent roaming profile changes policy at computer configuration /policies/administrative templates /system/user profiles and group policy, gpmc.msc. 4. Delete files using specialized software, such as CCleaner for Windows.